Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace key fob battery on BMW 2 Series guys. If you have a 2 Series BMW F22 or F23, stay with us, we will explain how to remove and replace the key fob battery. That same key guys, it's used on BMW 2 Series as well. As you know guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this BMW here and every BMW we get at the shop, we make at least 200 to 300 videos. We take them completely apart. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy replacement battery for your key fob or a key fob case, we'll have the links in the description of the video below to see where you can get those from and where we purchase ours. Battery is really good price compared to local parts stores that we have around, so we always purchase it online. So let us show you guys. Okay, let us show you now how to remove and replace that that key fob battery. Okay, we're going to come right here so I can show you quick. It's the same on, as I said, on 2 Series guys and 5 Series. They share the same key fob. So what you need to do, okay, go ahead and press in here. Okay, remove the key. Perfect. Now on the inside guys, okay, if I come right here, let me just focus on the action. Okay, perfect. There is one clip. Okay, one clip that you need to go ahead and pry out. Okay, that cover comes out. Check it out now. You have to be extremely careful now guys. Careful not to break things. What you need to do now here, okay, pry the battery easily out. Now make sure that you do not damage, okay, your terminals inside. Here everything is clean. Don't bend those guys. You need to grab the new battery and you go in an angle. Okay, you go in an angle and then push down. Okay, you can see just like that. Make sure that it's securely installed. After that guys, what you need to do, you have one slide clip on the front. Okay, and that's the clip that we were pushing earlier. Okay, you can see this clip right there. So we're going to slide that thing, then you're going to close it. Here, that click now. Perfect. You want to make sure that it's securely closed, otherwise humidity guys, moisture and all that can get in your car. And now go ahead and install the key. Now if you guys have a BMW 2 Series with the N20 engine, the twin turbo engine guys, we're doing timing chain replacement here. Video will be on our main YouTube channel, how to repair guys. This is a timing chain failure only at 87,000 miles guys. That same engine is being used on 5 Series and 2 Series guys. So it's on how to repair guys. Check it out guys, how to remove and replace timing chain, and we talk more about the timing chain failure. Hopefully the video will be helpful and see you guys next time.